In this video, I am going to tell how you can downgrade your Samsung Galaxy A16. Okay, you are seeing my laptop screen and my mobile screen, and in this video, my purpose is to let you how you can do yourself with no any issue, without any problem. You will see. Okay, I would like to open a guest mode. And first of all, I would like to download the Samsung USB driver. It will help to connect my device, smartphone device to the laptop properly and download Odin software. Okay, and some for I would like to choose some for because from this website I will easily download the firmware file of the Samsung Galaxy A16. So you are seeing the comment on my page on the left screen, and here I already searched the Samsung A15, A16. Okay, now I would like to go to the sum for here, and you are seeing the Samsung A16 4G smartphone, and it's updated to the latest version to Android 5.6, 8.5, and Android version 16. Okay, you can see you can download the Samsung USB driver from here, and Odin software you can download from here. Okay, now the now I will like to show you the Samsung USB driver. I already downloaded, and Odin software I already downloaded. Okay, SP Flash tool is also I don't need the Flash tool for now. Okay, now I am going to follow up the smartphone and go to the setting and open the about phone and software information from here. I will enable the developer option. First of all, I let you one thing that I am using the Samsung A13 instead of Samsung A16 because Samsung A16 is not available on my desk right now. You are seeing the Samsung A16 on the laptop screen. It has the Android version 16 updated and from your file. So now I will let you step by step, one by one. You will follow my steps and you will easily downgrade your smartphone. Let's see. Okay, build number you are seeing, and here I will top up to 7 times. Okay, now I will put my password. You are seeing the developer option mode. Developer mode has been enabled. I would like to go back and developer option here. Okay, it's enabled. Now I would like to enable USB debugging option. It's asking me to allow USB debugging. Yes, I am. Now it's enabled. Okay, we already downloaded a USB driver and Odin software. Now we need the accurate firmware file from the Sampa website. So here are the a lot of the file with the regions. So which file I recommend you, and how you will get your file easily. So I recommend you one option I am doing for my device. You can easily do for yours device as well. Okay, I will go to the other tool and here check IMI. Here I will put my Samsung Galaxy A13 IMI number. Okay, you are seeing 35076859023505. Okay, check. Oh, I already reached the limit today, so that is why it's not allowing me to do. Anyway, you can easily put your number and you will see the download option accurate from your file from the Sampa. Okay, now you will get the file, and I will go to here any of the firmware file. You don't need this way yourself any file I don't recommend you. Okay, there are this is the firmware file I'll choose, and its size file size is 7.2 GB. Okay, it's for the Netherlands, France. I sorry for that. It's for the France, and I recommend you to go to the IMI number. It will help you to get the accurate file. I already mentioned in my other video where you can easily check and watch the video. Okay, so I have no good internet speed. That is why I just download the one file manually. You can directly download all the file with this button. So I will get this file to show you the uh, ways that it works well without any hesitation, any problem. You can see the download button. Okay, the USB driver I already installed. It will show, and I would like to open Odin software. Okay, you are seeing. Okay, you are seeing the USB driver has been enabled already. You can say easily. You can say installed. Now open the Odin software. It's now open properly. We already enabled the developer option and the USB debugging option. So the file has been downloaded. I would like to place here. Here I would like to place, and it's taking time to download. Anyhow, I would like to show in the smartphone. You are seeing my smartphone device screen as well. Okay. Once it download, I will let you what the next step. You are seeing there is a BL option file, AP file, CP file, CSV file, and user data. So you need to use the all of the files you can download from this button, all the files, and AP file, BL file, CSV file, home CSV file, and CP file. So CP file, APBL, PSC user data. Okay, after that I will put one by one file here, and you will see the options, and your smartphone will automatically connect with the laptop, and you need to switch off your smartphone, and keep continuously you need to press your volume up and volume down button. Then you will see the blue screen on your smartphone. So you need to reboot your smartphone, and you will see the Android version 14. Once you complete all the steps one by one. Okay, my file is still remaining to download. You can see it's, it's still left 1 minute. This is a problem I already in my internet device. That is why I not recommend to download all the files right now on my device. It will take a lot of the time to process the video. That is why I skip other files, and to the point I just do correct the steps. Still 53 seconds left. So I will just skip this step. Okay. Once it's download, you can easily extract like this way. Extract all. So you will get the BL file, and you can upload the BL file here. Okay. Once you upload your BL file, here will be the log start showing you. Then you can follow up them like let me check my standard speed. It's up to 11 MB, but still download speed is very low. But internet speed test, okay, go. You will see the download speed. but this file is taking good much time to complete. You can see the upload speed and download speed, but this is taking a lot of the time to complete. Okay, anyway, if you need any help, any problem, you can comment on the video. I will guide you step by step. Okay, this is really it took leave it for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching.